Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to log into Etrade account. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then, on the address bar, search for us.etrade.com. Once you land on the home page of Etrade, on the top right, you will see Login option. Click on it. Now, you just have to fill out this form to log into your account. First of all, you have to enter your registered user ID. Then, enter your password. If you want this website to remember your user ID, then simply click on this button. If you want to use security code, you can click on this button. Now, enter the security code that you want to set up for your account. Under Go To, you will have a lot of options. Among them, choose accounts. If you do not remember your user ID or password, then you can just hit on forget user ID or password option available here. At last, you just have to click on login button to log into your Etrade account. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.